The past few weeks have witnessed the rise to stardom of Harbin, China's ice city, with a record influx of visitors. Over 3 million visitors flocked to the city during the New Year holidays, and tourism revenue rocketed 791.92% to over 5.9 billion yuan. This wooing of tourists once again shows the huge momentum of domestic consumption in China's huge market. Data show 135 million domestic tourist trips were made in China during the 3-day New Year holiday, up 155.3% year-on-year, and tourist revenue surpassed 79.73 billion yuan. Physical stores across the country are also introducing novel consumption scenarios to attract consumers, injecting fresh vitality into offline consumption. According to a report released by the China Chain Store and Franchise Association, about 400 new shopping centers opened in China last year, and about 60% of the surveyed cities saw growth in the number of convenience stores. Meanwhile, China is striving to forge consumption into a powerful engine to support high-quality growth. As the world's largest new energy vehicle producer and market, China has invested substantially in electric vehicle research and development. In 2023, production and sales of new energy vehicles in China exceeded 9.58 million and 9.49 million units, surging 35.8% and 37.9% year-on-year respectively. China now boasts the world's largest middle-income group of more than 400 million people. Experts expect the middle-income population to expand to over 800 million in the next 15 years, which is leading to a gigantic domestic market. A McKinsey report, China Consumption's Start of a New Era, said China's economy is steadily evolving towards being more consumption-driven. It forecast the retail growth, encompassing both products and services, to rise by some 5% for the coming years. The report noted such growth would make China the single largest growth market globally.